Times Himachal News Bulletin, and in this bulletin you will get today's all the big updates of Himachal Pradesh in one go. So starting today's bulletin and moving to the first news. After settling the political developments in Punjab, Shimla to relieve fatigue. All India Congress President Sonia Gandhi has reached Shimla at 10:30 a.m. on Monday to remove the fatigue after settling the political turmoil in Punjab. Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is also in Shimla for last 2 days. Priyanka Vadra is spending her holidays in her private villa located in Chhabra. Robert Vadra has also come to visit Shimla. With Priyanka, Sonia Gandhi will be staying at Priyanka Gandhi's private residence in Chhabra near Shimla district for a few days. It is noteworthy that Sonia's daughter Priyanka Gandhi and son-in-law Robert Vadra are in Shimla and they have a program to stay for about 3 more days in Chhabra. After Sonia Gandhi, now Rahul Gandhi can also reach Shimla. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, which is related to the Apple prices in this trade. Apple business may reduce by rupees 500 crore for the first time. Despite a good crop this time, Apple business in Himachal may be reduced by rupees 500 crore. Falling apple rates, hailstorms and unseasonal snowfall have become the main reasons for this. In the current season, apple business will be reduced to 4,500 crores. The problem of the apple growers has increased due to low production of good grade apples in this state. The apple economy has been affected due to the high production of C-grade apples due to hail. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, BDC president will be able to travel 1,000 km in a month. In Himachal Pradesh, Panchayat Committee chairman will now be able to roam freely in their areas in vehicles like ministers and MLAs. The government has allowed them to travel up to 1,000 km in a month. Earlier this limit was 500 km per month. The Panchayat Committee president was repeatedly raising the demands that they too have to go to the fields like ministers and MLAs. The amount of area held by an MLA is the same as that of a BDC president. The limit of travelling up to 500 km for inspection of development works in the areas and for government works is very less. Due to this, state government has taken this decision. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, preparations to give clean chit to former Congress MLA Bambar Thakur. The CID had made preparations to give a clean chit to former Congress MLA Bambar Thakur, who is trapped in a case of abetment to suicide. According to the sources, the CID has not found concrete evidence in the investigation of the case to prove that it was former MLA who instigated the youth to commit suicide. In the investigation, each layer of the allegations made in the video was uncovered in a sequential manner. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, CID summoned the agent who grabbed the money of the gardeners. The SIT of CID, which is probing the fraud case from the gardeners, has issued notice to 7 brokers for questioning. According to sources, these brokers are accused of missing the gardeners with apples worth lakh of rupees. Without paying any money on the complaint of the gardeners, the investigation team has tightened the nose on the accused. These brokers will be given time to return the money. After this, if they do not pay the money, then the CID will register an FIR and take action for arrest. According to the sources, the accused have been called on different days in each next week. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, preparations to run buses with 100% occupancy. The government is preparing to run buses in Himachal Pradesh with 100% occupancy. The corporation management has sent a proposal to the state government in this regard. The government can take this decision if there is a decrease in the cases of corona infection in the state and the corporation continues to suffer losses. Transport corporation funds are empty. There is no money to pay the employees. The liabilities of the employees are also pending. There are about 3,400 buses in the fleet of the transport corporation. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, the urban board has inquired about the illegal occupation. The 6th Finance Committee of the Himachal Pradesh government has asked the municipal corporations, municipal councils and town panchayats as to where their illegal occupations are. What has been done so far to remove them? Details related to the source of incomes have also been sought. The Commission seeks such details for formulating future plans. The Commission is framing the policy in this regard with the Planning Department of the government. The 6th Finance Committee has issued drafts to all the municipal corporations, municipal councils and town panchayats. They have been asked to fill in the blanks. The details of the lands with the municipal bodies have been sought. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, Himachal consumers will get fortified salt. Ration card consumers of Himachal Pradesh will get fortified salt. For this, the Food Supply Corporation has started tenders from the company. companies have been asked to apply by next week. After this, the technical bid will be opened by the corporation. After examining the samples, so far 5 companies have agreed to supply in the corporation. Ration card consumers get 8 rupees per kg salt at the depot. 1 kg bag of fortified salt fetches rupees 18 in the market. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, the gardeners will fight the Battle of the Cross. The announcement of the closing on September 27. The United Farmers Union has announced to launch an agitation against the neglectful policy of the government towards the farmers and the arbitrariness of the corporate companies. United Farmers Union has called for a closing on September 27 on the issues of the farmers and gardeners. A round of meeting has been started at the panchayat level to gain support for the movement. In this episode, a meeting was held at Saharan in Rampur on Sunday. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, President Ramnath Kovind returned to New Delhi. Governor and CM gave a dignified farewell. President Ramnath Kovind was given a dignified farewell from the NLL helipad in Shimla on Sunday after a 4-day visit to the state. From here, the president went back to New Delhi in an Air Force helicopter. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur also presented a photo album of photographs from his visit to the president on Friday on the occasion of the Golden Jubilee year of this full statehood of Himachal Pradesh. Moving on to the next news in today's bulletin, which tells us about the corona situation in the state. 1 infected died in Himachal. 92 corona positive cases, including boarding school students. There have been 92 corona positive cases in Himachal Pradesh on Sunday. A 76-year-old corona infected elderly has died in Kangra district of the state. In the last 24 hours, 140 patients have been cured from corona in this state. Whereas in Dharampur in Mandi district, 25 members of staff, including students of boarding school, have come infected. On Sunday, the health department examined 188 samples across the district. In this, 25 cases have been reported from boarding school Dharampur alone, 3 from Sadar, 3 from Bahal, 1 from Jogindarnagar, 1 from Gohar, 1 from Sarkaghat and Kharsaud each. Moving on to the next news in today's bulletin, self-help groups products to be sold on Amazon and Flipkart. Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Minister Prem said that online platform will be provided to the products of self-help groups. The Rural Development Department has taken this decision to make Himachali women financially independent. With this, women of the remote and tribal areas of the state will also be able to sell their products easily across the country. At present, 2.80 lakh women are associated with 27,000 women self-help groups in the state. Moving on to the next news in today's bulletin, teacher-parent interaction on September 28 in Himachal's government schools. On September 28, teachers will interact with the parents of the students studying in government schools of Himachal Pradesh. During this, the results of the first term examinations will be shared. On behalf of the State Project Officer of the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, instructions have been issued to all the district education officers in this regard. From September 4 to 14, the first term examination of classes from 9th to 12th have been taken online in government schools. Moving on to the last news of today's bulletin, 7-month-old girl died due to wrong vaccination. A 7-month-old girl died during treatment at IGMC Shimla. The girl had problems with chest congestion and cough. The family created a ruckus over the death of the innocent girl and alleged that the girl died due to wrong vaccination. At the same time, IGMC's administrative officer Dr. Rahul Gupta told that the girl had pneumonia and was undergoing treatment in Rohru. In the morning, given the injection written by the doctor to the girl. During this, child vomited and the body turned blue, after which the baby died. He told that if there has been negligence, then the family has been asked to get the postmortem done. Right now, they are talking about it so that a fair investigation can be done. So that's it for today's bulletin, guys. We will meet you again tomorrow. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye-bye.